Hi everyone. ProtonVPN is a secure and free VPN, now featuring better connection stability, faster speeds, and even more security features. ProtonVPN is the world's only free VPN service that respects your privacy and is safe to use. To install, enter website ProtonVPN.com. After opening the website, click on Get ProtonVPN Now. Select Get Proton Free, and then continue with Free. Here, create an account, enter a valid email, and create new password. Enter the verification code received in your email and click Verify. Select Download. Select Download ProtonVPN. Once downloaded, double-click on Setup File. Select your language and click on Next. Next again. Leave the default installation path and click Next. Click on Install. Click on Finish to close Installation Wizard. Open ProtonVPN. Log in using the username and password you created when you signed up, and click Login. If you clicking on Take a Tour, you will get instructions on how to use it. Only servers in 3 countries are available in the free version. To connect to the fastest server in the country of your choice, hover your mouse pointer over the country and then connect. To connect to a specific server in a country, expand the country of your choice to see a list of servers in that country. The mouse pointer over your server of choice and then connect. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.